Righto, just a quick video, just an update on where we're at. So after the come and try day, Dad fixed the Yamaha, got that going. I bring the Velo back and started working on that. It ran all day, it ran really well, but there's a few modifications that we have to make. I'll just run through a few of those with you now. Righto, so we're back with the Velo. One of the biggest problems we've got at the moment is the gearbox is sliding back when we wind the throttle on. It's loading up the primary chain in the crank. It's got a crank brace on it because of the Albion gearbox doesn't line up properly with the crank, so we've supported that, which has obviously helped us on the weekend. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to pull the spacers out from underneath the gearbox and the engine plates here and remeasure everything, and I don't think I've got enough crush between the plates and the gearbox, so I'll sort that out. I might have got a bit excited a while ago when I was making these, before the bike was actually properly built and tightened up, so the measurement might have been quite right, so I'll sort that out now. Got to make a heat shield for the exhaust. It's starting to melt our boots. We've got to make another clutch cable. We pulled the end off the clutch cable, so we better make another one of those. What else have we got? We've got a small crack in the front guard from a bit of vibration, so I'll fix that, and the seats come loose. So other than that, we'll just give it a good go going over. I was quite impressed for our first ride, and I'm happy with the way it's come out. Not too much work to do compared to some of the stuff that we've worked on in the past. So we better get into it.